guys, I'm here at Philly Famous Cheesesteaks here on San Pedro Avenue, and it is a food truck serving some of the best famous Philly cheesesteaks. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, good. So this is my first time. Do you have any recommendations of what to try?
I gotta tell you, the Southwest Philly.
Southwest Philly, okay.
That is my absolute favorite.
Alrighty, I'll get that. What else?
I'd say the Case Fave is really good. It's got cherry peppers in it.
Okay,
it's like a nice sweet heat. Easy bacon ranch fries.
Okay, we have to try those.
They are beautiful.
And I think I want to try one more. What else do you recommend for me to try?
I would say the San Antonio.
Okay.
It's a nice, very classic, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, I'll get that.
Alright, sounds good.
Yeah. So I have a question. How original are these Philly cheese steak sandwiches?
Super authentic.
Super authentic.
The boss man is from Philly.
Is he really?
Yes, he is. And we use the authentic Amoroso rolls that they use in Philly. We order them from there. We use the white American cheese that real Philadelphians use.
Awesome. Okay, I cannot wait. Alrighty guys, so my Philly cheesesteak sandwich is ready, and this is the Southwest Philly sandwich. Woo! Oh my God, look at this. Woo! Oh my gosh. Look at all the toppings. There's this nice, delicious sauce topped with pico de gallo and some cilantro. Oh my gosh, guys, this is huge. This is like a big boat of meat.
How does it taste?
Oh my God. Oh my God. That meat melts in your mouth and it's extra cheesy. And this sauce is like some secret Philly cheesesteak sauce. Oh, it just gives it a really good flavor. I mean, look at this. Now, I know why Philly cheesesteak sandwiches are really famous. One bite and it tells you all.
This is the San Antonio.
San Antonio. Ah! So this is the San Antonio Philly cheesesteak. Woo! And it would not be complete if I didn't try this one. Look at this. It is like Philly cheese meat heaven. Woo! Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my God, look at that meat on that. Oh my gosh, you could tell it's juicy. Woo, here we go, San Antonio Philly cheesesteak. Woo! Woo!
Is it hot?
Woo! It definitely has some heat, so if you like spicy food, this is your sandwich. Woo! Gosh, but this one melts in your mouth. It is so juicy and the bread is like soft. It's not as crispy as the other one, but oh my gosh, if you love spicy, I'm telling you, this is your sandwich. A really good San Antonio Philly cheesesteak sandwich right there.
I'm on the north side of Philly, riding around like these haters don't want to kill me. It's a shame how they hate on me. You gotta feel me. I started out with $1 and got $1 million. I do it for the.
Waiting for my Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Waiting for my Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. I'm ready. I'm waiting. Oh, I'm just dancing away.
All right, this is the Case Fave.
This is one of the recommended sandwiches you told me to try.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, this is Kay's Fave Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Woo! And this looks amazing. Oh my God. Dang, oh my gosh. It is so heavy. Oh my God, the weight of the meat. I mean, it's like a weight. Oh my God, look at this. Look at the juice. I'm gonna make my cameraman drool. Are you drooling?
Hell yeah.
Yeah? Let's take a bite of the Kay's Fave.
Oh my God. I think I just went to food heaven. Oh my God. So far, this is my favorite one so far. Oh my gosh. It's super juicy. The bread is like perfect between toasty and a little bit soft. You got that mustard that's giving it that little sour taste, but it balances off with the cheese, the mozzarella cheese, and the tomatoes, and the onions. Oh my god. So if you've never had the Philly cheesesteak sandwich, you are missing out.
All right, here he goes, the cheesy bacon ranch fries. Definitely gonna need that.
Oh my god, wow, this
Yeah.
is amazing. Look at all this. It has everything that you want. It's like loaded up. I was not expecting this.
Miracles.
Yes, y'all do. Miracles are gonna go in my mouth right now. So I'm gonna take my first bite. Oh my god. Super cheesy, super good. I love how they have that melted cheddar cheese topped on it with that ranch and those bacon bits. It is heaven. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my god. These fries are amazing. Super good. Oh my gosh, I have to have another bite before I leave. Some of the best fries I've ever had. Can I get mango Philly water ice?
Okay. Right, mango water ice, there you go.
Mango water ice. Oh my gosh, it almost looks like sherbet.
It does. It's
Yeah.
a similar texture, but with like raspa flavors.
Like a raspa flavor. Okay, so I'm super excited to try this.
Excellent on a hot day.
I know, and it is really hot, but also windy and humid, which kind of sucks, but we are in Texas.
Gotta get used to it.
I know. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
To finish off my deliciousness, Philly cheesesteak sandwiches and fries, gonna finish it with this. Something cold and refreshing. My god. This almost tastes like a combination of gelato and sherbet. It's so good. And the mango flavor, amazing. Okay guys, so if you want to try something really good here in San Antonio, you guys need to try Philly's famous cheese sticks here on San Pedro Avenue. All their Philly cheesesteak sandwiches were really good, and just to enjoy and finish off with something really refreshing, you definitely got to try the mango ice water. It is divine. So this wraps up today's food adventure video. I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.